In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bulk images on Amazon for listing. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Seller Central, how to add multiple images at once, and how to set up your main and additional images so your listing looks professional and compliant. Start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. From the top navigation, open the inventory menu and choose Add a Product. If you're creating something that isn't already in the Amazon catalog, select Create a New Listing. This opens the product setup page where you'll enter the core details and, importantly, access the images section where we'll upload in bulk. Before we upload, take a moment to fill in your product details. Accurate titles, brand names, categories, and variation information help determine how many image slots are available and ensure everything aligns with Amazon's guidelines. Complete the required fields so the listing saves properly later. This also ensures the right images display for the right variations if your product has sizes, colors, or styles. Now scroll to the images section. This is where you'll add the main image and your additional images in one place. To avoid issues, prepare your files first. Use high-quality JPEG or PNG. Aim for at least 1600 pixels on the longest side for the zoom feature, and make sure the main image is on a pure white background with the product filling most of the frame. Avoid text, watermarks, or borders, as those can trigger rejections. Click Upload. In the file picker, select all the images you want to add in one go. This is your bulk upload. You can also drag and drop multiple files directly into the image area. Assign your primary product photo to the main image slot. This is the one shoppers see first in search results, so choose the clearest, most accurate angle. Place your additional images in the remaining slots to show different angles, close-ups, scale, packaging, or lifestyle usage. If your listing has variations, make sure each variation's image clearly represents that option. After the files upload, take a moment to reorder them if needed. Most interfaces let you drag to rearrange, so the most impactful visuals appear first. Double-check cropping and centering, and confirm the images look sharp at full size. When everything looks right, click Save and Finish. Amazon will process your listing and images. It's normal for photos to take a little time to appear live. Give it a few minutes, then review the listing to confirm the main image, gallery order, and overall quality meet your standards. That's it. You've uploaded your images in bulk.